Number 5. Number 4.
Communication, it's all about the details. A smile or a gesture will let you know what others think and how they feel. Because a successful meeting is not only about a perfect presentation, but also to engage with people and build trust to create better collaboration. Therefore, we developed CanDown Meeting, the 360-degree all-in-one conferencing camera. Unlike the standard conferencing camera, CanDown Meeting encourages a smarter and more intuitive meeting experience for remote workers. It makes them communicate as if they were in the same room with the team, talking face-to-face. CanDown Meeting utilizes a unique 360-degree camera to make sure everyone is visible and engaged in the meeting. Rather than crowding around a tiny camera, now all the participants can comfortably sit in a conference room of any shape or size. By using facial recognition, the camera will automatically focus on the speakers, making the remote meeting seem more natural. CanDown 360-degree conferencing camera ensures you can see clearly. With an Ultra HD imaging system, it captures panoramic video at 8K resolution to deliver outstanding clear streams. It'll dynamically optimize the exposure and skin tones so you can look great on video in any light. In order to keep the conversation flow, CanDown conferencing camera places 8 omnidirectional microphones on the top to receive sound from all directions, even a voice from 4 meters away. By minimizing the background noise, auto-leveling voices, and locating the sound, the high-quality audio system ensures everyone can be easily heard. CanDown Meeting offers 3 modes for various conference scenarios. Discussion. The camera highlights speakers in turns with a 360-degree view on top to show the whole room. Presentation. The camera turns to whoever is speaking and delivers an exclusive shot. Global mode. 2 panoramic videos to show all the attendees. Combining the video and audio together, a remote meeting can be super easy to set up. You just need to plug in the USB and press to start. CanDown Meeting will directly connect to any popular video conferencing platforms that you like. CanDown Meeting 360-degree all-in-one conferencing camera. Make remote meetings smarter.
Number 3.
Next slide. bring Boston in.
Perfect.
Sounds good.
Number 2. Number 1.
Okay, let's get this meeting started.
We were talking about the comparison before. Now, it's conducted by a major subcomponent of all these.
I can't understand a word he's saying.
What else is new?
We can't hear them, but they can still hear us.
We can't hear you.
Bring it over here, bring it over here. So, now, we're talking about the major payload of the mission, the data link, the ground control. Come on. This is, it's...
I love chips.
Can we just jump back into this thing, please? All right, all specified.
Is it dressed? Yes. Come
Yeah, she's all twisted up.
like a pretzel with glasses.
The source document.
Stop! Let me do it. Let me handle it. Now, as I was saying...